Fenway Park is a baseball park located in Boston, Massachusetts, near Kenmore Square. Since 1912, it has been the home for the Boston Red Sox, the city's American League Baseball team, and since 1953, its only Major League Baseball franchise. While the stadium was built in 1912, it was substantially rebuilt in 1934 and underwent major renovations and modifications in the 21st century. It is the oldest active ballpark in MLB. Because of its age and constrained location in Boston's dense Fenway-Kenmore neighborhood, the park has been renovated or expanded many times, resulting in quirky features including the triangle, Pesky's pole, and the green monster in left field. It is the fifth smallest among MLB ballparks by seating capacity, second smallest by total capacity, and one of 8 that cannot accommodate at least 40,000 spectators. Fenway has hosted the World Series 11 times, with the Red Sox winning 6 of them and the Boston Braves winning 1. Besides baseball games, it has also been the site of many other sporting and cultural events including professional football games for the Boston Redskins, Boston Yanks, and the New England Patriots, concerts, soccer and hockey games and political and religious campaigns. April 20, 2012, marked Fenway Park's centennial. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.